Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So first sentence is don't show crocodile tears. Don't show crocodile tears. मगरमच्छ के आंसू मत दिखाओ. Second, it's freezing today. It's freezing today. आज बहुत सर्दी है. 3, he is obese. He is obese. वो बहुत मोटा है. 4, my birthday is in April. My birthday is in April. मेरी सालगिरह अप्रैल में है. 5, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. ये हुई ना बात. 6, it's very challenging for him. It's very challenging for him. ये उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. 7, I wanna pee. I want to pee, or you can say it, I wanna pee. मुझे वॉशरूम आया है या मुझे वॉशरूम करना है. 8, I want to poop. I wanna poop. मुझे पोटी करनी है. 9, how hilarious you are. How hilarious you are. कितने मजाकिया हो तुम. The last one is 10, mind blowing. Mind blowing. शानदार. ऐसा काम जो जहन को घुमा दे. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.